had a consultation with Louise, analysed her hair texture, the curl type, the density of hair, the natural amount of moisture she has in her hair, and we are going to use the SEACURL line. So I'm just going to apply the SEACURL shampoo. This is going to enhance the moisture, give the hair more elasticity, softness, smoothness and shine, and just extend the life of the curl retention, making the styling last longer. You can clearly see with the SEACURL shampoo, which is different to the other shampoos within the Lauga range, this one doesn't contain the pearlization in the product. This is to make it lighter, being more beneficial for the curl and not weighing it down when we use it. We're going to massage the product in between our hands, and then starting at the scalp and the root area, massage all the way through, focusing on really cleansing and cleaning the scalp before we take the product through the mid-lengths and ends of the hair.